Hello students, now welcome back in Maths online classes and I am Nitish with you. So today we are going to cover day 4 of the chapter equation in two variables, and you have completed your previous work and you completed your all assessment, prepare the notes and solving the exercises. Those things are very important to complete a topic, because without practicing the question and without solving the questions, topic is incomplete. So it is must to solve all the questions and solve the exercise which is given in NCERT book and lead book also. So today's topic is very important topic and also very simple topic is for you. So I'm going to tell you the name of the topic: equation of the lines which is parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Again I am repeating the topic: equation of the lines which is parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Just in Cartesian plane, just in coordinate geometry, you have seen some points are in first quadrant, some in second, some in third, and some points lies on the fourth quadrant. But some points was here like 2, 0, 5, 0, 0, 7. They lie on the axis, that is x-axis and y-axis. So today we will discuss on those points, why they are lies on the axis, and how can we draw the straight line those will be parallel to the x-axis and y-axis, and what will happen if the x coordinate is 0. So in that case, what is the equation of the line, and when y coordinate is 0, so in that case what is the equation of line. So today they will cover these things in this topic, and after watching the video you need to solve the NCERT exercise. So let's start the today's video. Okay, so let's begin today's topic. It is equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Just we have studied just now कि we have drawn a graph for a straight line. So it will be just like a straight line for any linear equation into a variable, and the standard form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It means till now we have studied, if we will draw a graph of a linear equation in two variable, so it must be a straight line. It must be a straight line. Okay, this thing we have learned. But in this topic we are going to study equations of line parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. It means this is the our axis. So whatever we will line draw, suppose this line, this line is A is the parallel to the x-axis. If we draw this line is B is parallel to the y-axis. So this thing we are going to learn here. Okay, so it is given that you have studied about the coordinates of a given points in the Cartesian plane. Do you know where the points 2, 0, minus 3, 0, 4, 0 and n, 0? It means I have already told to you, any coordinate given to you, suppose minus 4, 0. So I told this is the value of x coordinate and this is the value of y coordinate. So you can see in this one here what the things common looks like. Everywhere you can see y coordinate is 0. It means the value of y everywhere is 0 and x is any real number and lie in the Cartesian plane. Yes, they all on the x-axis. When we will plot these points in a Cartesian plane, these all points lie on the x-axis. This thing you already know. Yes, they all lie on the x-axis, but do you know why? It means why these all are point. It means those coordinates in which the value of y is 0, those all coordinates, all points lies on the x-axis. Why it's happening? This is the question. Because on the x-axis the y coordinate of each point is 0. Answer is this. Everywhere you can see the common thing, just I have told to you, everywhere the value of y coordinate is 0. If the value of, keep the things in your mind, it is the most important point. If any coordinate the value of y is 0, it means that coordinate will lie on the x-axis. Similarly, if the value of x coordinate is 0 in any coordinate, like example 0, 5, here you can see the value of x coordinate is 0. So if the value of x coordinate is 0, the points lie on the y axis. Two things I have told, 2 points I have told to you just now. Always keep in your mind, if the value of x coordinate is 0, if the value of x coordinate is 0, points always lie on the y axis. If the value of y coordinate is 0, points always lie on the x axis. Till here clear? It is given x axis is the form of x, 0. Can you now guess the equation of the x axis? It is given by y is equal to 0. Note that y is equal to 0 can be expressed as 0x plus 1y is equal to 0. Similarly, observe that the equation of the y-axis is given by x is equal to 0. Now consider the equation x minus 2 is equal to 0. If this is treated as equation in one variable, the x only, here you can see this equation can be just like, looks like x minus 2 is 0, just looks like the equation of one variable, but it can be written as in the form of equation in two variable that I already told to you. Then it has the unique solution, because x minus 2 is equal to 0. When we will transpose, x is equal to 2 will come. It means 2 is the unique solution for this equation, which is a point on the number line. However, when treated as an equation in two variables, it can be expressed as x plus 0 and y minus 2 is equal to 0. So see here in the graph I have represented it 2, 0, because the value of x we have find out here, that is, it was the equation x minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So what the value of x? The value of x is here 2. So y coordinate is here? No. So the value of y is here 0. So what the coordinate is here? 2, 0. And see where we will represent 2, 0 on the graph. It is 2, 0. This point is the 2, 0. So when we will draw a line through the point 2, 0 on the x-axis, we will get a straight line that will be parallel to the y-axis. Got it? We have got the point 2, 0, and when we will represent these points in a Cartesian plane, the 2, 0 is lie on the x-axis, and when we draw a straight line through the 2, 0, it will be parallel to the y-axis. And this is our today's topic. I hope you have understood all the things. We'll explain more examples to you. By that you can better understand. So this thing you have understood. Let's see the examples, more examples. Well, suppose points is given to you 2, 0, and another coordinate is given to you 0, 2. How we will get these points? How? This is also a question can be raised in your mind. So see any equation 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so when we will this is the equation of one variable, you can say, but we can write also in two variable. So when we will write in two variables, so what will happen in this one here, the value of y is 0, that's why y is not here. So when we will transpose to 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 upon 2, that's why x is equal to 2. So the value will be 2 comma 0. Value of coordinate is 2 comma 0. Now we need to represent 2 comma 0 on the graph. So first we will draw a graph. This is x axis, it is x dash, it is y axis, it is y dash. So it is 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, 1 2 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. These are the points. Now a point is there 2 comma 0. So here you can see the value of y is 0 and the value of x is 2, and we know first we need to cover x is 2. So where it will be? It will be here. I am marking by red color, so you can see it is 2 comma 0. It is, this is the point 2 comma 0. So when we will draw a line through the point 2 comma 0, to see which kind of line will be there. Which kind of line will be there? It will be a straight line which is parallel to the y axis, which is parallel to the y axis. So what is the equation of this line? It is 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, and this is the line which is parallel to the y axis, which is parallel to the y axis. It means if the value of y coordinate is 0, if the value of y coordinate is 0, the line will be always parallel to the y axis. If x coordinate is 0, so line will be always parallel to the x axis. How? See, another equation I am taking, 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Here you can see x coordinate is 0, this means the value of x is 0. So 3y is equal to 9 and y is equal to 9 upon 3, that's why it is 3. So coordinate is 0 comma 3, because x is not here, so the value of x is 0. So coordinate is there 0 comma 3. So again we will draw a graph for the coordinate 0 comma 3. X axis, x dash, y and y dash. Mark the point 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, 1 2 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now what's our coordinate? Our coordinate is 0 comma 3. So here x point is 0, x coordinate is 0, but y coordinate is there, that is 3. So 0 comma 3 means 0, it is origin point, and 3, 1 2 3, this is the point. Now I am marking by with the black color, that's why you can see 0, it is the point of 0 comma 3. So when we draw a straight line through a point 0 comma 3, we can see it is the parallel to the y axis, and this is our today's topic, equation of lines parallel to the x axis and y axis. And these lines can be also drawn in one variable. These lines also can be drawn in one variable. This though we have drawn these lines is two variable. When you will draw in one variable, so simply just you have what you was doing in previous classes, that is just looks like number line, that in that way you can represent. So this is the line, you will mark here from 1 2 3. So this is the point 0 comma 3, because it is 3 points are there, and the value of this one, so this is the point 0 comma 3. Got it? This is in one variable, and just we have now I have told you in the Cartesian plane, that is the graph in two variable. This is in two variable, and this one also in two variable. This first one, this is also in two variable. So lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis, these lines equations can be drawn in both the like one variable and like two variable. When we will draw into like two variable, so we will draw in a Cartesian plane, and when we will use as a one variable, so we will draw on a straight line. I hope you have understood today's topic. It was so simple topic. Now the time of do the NCERT exercise and SB practice book. So you need to complete both the exercises. If any kind of doubt or problem there, you can ask to me. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.